Damn, I haven't had a manual in so long. It's so much fun. How did I go 6 months without breaking a GT4 lip? I drove across the country. You know what's crazy? I've never broken a GT4 lip. I've had 2 of them. I drove from California to Miami. I didn't even break. I just sold this, by the way. Good morning. Feels so official. What's up, everybody? My name is Spencer. I wanted to make a quick video of just an update. If you want to skip ahead to the delivery, you can click right here to when the car shows up or below on the scroller thingy. But yeah, I just wanted to say what's up. It's been a while. I haven't filmed a video in like 4 months, and probably the longest time I've gone without filming a YouTube video. If you guys know, I moved to Texas in 2021, I believe in December, from Southern California. I spent my whole life in Southern California. Before that, I grew up in Michigan, and now I'm actually in Huntsville, Alabama, which is super random. I know a lot of people were commenting on my Facebook and my Instagram, and they were like, why would you move to Alabama? Well, I have some family here, and my mom's here right now, and I wanted to come see her. You guys know that if you've been following me for a while, I have a lot of, I share a lot of my mental health issues and also my history and my past of, everyone has stories and traumas and stuff like that, but I think I'm a little bit more open than most people, and I share a lot of my stuff online, and I just needed to come see family for a bit, and it's worth every second of it. When you're with family, location doesn't matter. So I feel really nice here. Besides the humidity, I'm okay here. The humidity is too bad. I can't do that here. I don't know how people live in this heat. It's terrible. I sold my E90 M3. I didn't post a video about it. I just realized I did post on Instagram about it and TikTok, but I didn't really make a video on it. Just decided to move on with the car. I had a buyer for it, and I just didn't really feel the need to keep that car. I've had the E90X chassis for a while. I've had 3 of them. I had an F80. And now from the video title, you can see I'm moving on to E46. So I'm currently waiting for the transport to show up. It's July 22nd or 23rd, 2022, Saturday morning. Once the car gets here, I'll show you guys everything. We'll do a walk around. It should be on the truck and we can unload it, check it out, start it up. I haven't seen the car in person yet, but I did get a lot of videos of it. The guy I bought it from is a super nice guy. Adam LZ just replied to my story. I was trying to buy his E46, but I bought this one instead. Attacking the salmon. Okay, I'm anxious, man. The car's gonna be here soon. You guys know how I feel about M3s. This has been a dream car for, I think, longer than the E90. So yeah, here we go. Oh, tall people problems. you're not familiar with Alabama, it's humid. It's very humid, but AC is very cold in here. First thing I have to say, this is a small car, very small car. Okay, driving position, much better OEM than E92 or E90X. Much better driving position than E9X, that's for sure. I feel it's very small. It's a small car. I haven't even seen this in person. I haven't driven it yet, so I'm gonna go drive it. It's got RTD shifter. It's got those nice pedals. Damn, I haven't had a manual in so long. First thing I did is press the window switch. The window switch fell off. How's this work? Oh, that's a back window. Huh. Well, first thing. So I found a cool little spot to take some photos. Thank you to the transport over there. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. They helped me out with getting this car within 24 hours. I found it on Facebook Marketplace on Obsessed Garage Marketplace group. It popped up and it was up for about 46 minutes. Oh, there's a cat right there. And this is a spec I've been looking for 7 years, man. Interlagos blue, 2005, 6-speed manual, ZCP competition, has the KW coilovers on it. I think they're V3s. All the OEM stuff came with it. Apex wheels. There's a lot done to this car I want to go over with you guys in a full detailed video, but this was something I wanted more. I don't know about more, but as much as my E90. And wow, what a car. Just had a chance to go drive it around a bit. I can see why these cars are so good. I love my E9X, but this just feels much more nimble. It's a lot smaller. It just feels a little bit more in control. I love having a manual again. It's so much fun. Oh, I'm not trying to drive too crazy. I want to do some maintenance on it and get it sorted out, but for the most part, it feels great. It needs an alignment, but there's a part of the mirror that we have to fix, which it was disclosed in the sale. I just got the title and all the paperwork, so I got to go to the DMV to register it and everything, but yeah, man, wow, what a good car. It just feels so smooth. I love the RTD shifter. So good. I have to get used to driving manual again. The throttle response isn't as good as the E9X, but I did learn about the sport button, which made a huge difference. Oh God. That's a big dip. So just drove it around a little bit. Figured I'd give you guys a full tour of the car. I just took some photos for Instagram, and it's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Alabama, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this video out as soon as I can. So this is a 2005 E46 M3 ZCP competition in Interlagos blue. One of my favorite colors. My E90 was this color. I also had a blue E30 that was like identical to this with blue and silver wheels. The car right now has Apex wheels on it with Continental tires. Has the black kidney grills with the clear corners. It does have a sunroof. I wish it was a slick top, but it's okay. Still a great car. Has the extended studs on the wheels. I don't even know what kind of animal is making that noise. Windows are tinted. I'm not too sure percentage wise or what brand. It's lowered on KW V3s. They feel very nice. I don't remember the exact spec on the exhaust. El Diablo something. I still have a lot to learn about the E46 platform. I have a lot to study for my company M3 list, so I can understand values of these cars a lot better. Has the black interior. I believe the previous owner had done new OEM formats. Dude, what is that? RTD shifter, which I had in my E90, was really nice. Super notchy. Some other parts were included too. There's a lot of OEM stuff back here, so I'm gonna go through that when I get a chance. I believe that's aftermarket, not sure. Has a perforated steering wheel. Everything is so clean on this car, so clean. A funny story about a week I'd say about a month before I went to go buy my E90 M3 in 2016, I found an Interlagos blue ZCP competition E46 that I was going to buy. It had black wheels in San Diego where I lived, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to get the E90. One day I'll have the E46. And then the coolest thing is now, you know, I'm 30. I had the E90 when I was about 25, and I've gone through a handful of M3s. I've had multiple E9Xs, E92, E90s. I had an F80. I had my last slick top Melbourne red E90. Now I have a very rare collector car that I've wanted since I was a teenager. This was just a dream car I'd always wanted, and I finally have it, man. What a feeling. Oh, that's the trunk. Whoops. Let's see what's in the trunk. I haven't looked yet. Parts, muffler, license plate bracket, armrest, shifter linkage. Oh, it has Harman Kardon. That's cool. I haven't even turned the radio on yet. Check the engine. It's always weird how this, I don't know, you just pull up. Famous S54. It's got Hotchkiss adjustable sways, I believe. KW V3s. It has bushings all around. New motor mounts. Interlagos blue, baby. There she is in all her glory. What a beautiful car. I feel so fortunate to own a car like this. I feel so fortunate.